Well, hello. A long time no see. It's been about 5 or 6 months since I last uploaded a video onto my YouTube channel. But today we have something exciting. Come a little closer. A little closer. Right there. We're gonna do an empty apartment tour. Behind me you may see a couch. Shh! It's not there. It's all a green screen. I still live in an empty apartment. But I figured it would be fun to do an empty apartment tour. I personally like seeing empty apartment tours and then seeing how people have transformed a bare bones area to their style. I love it. I love seeing how people transform their areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll that footage. You're gonna hear my neighbors apparently. Don't know if you can hear that. But I'm gonna go ahead and roll that footage I took back around Christmas when I first moved here. It's gonna be a voiceover, so hopefully you don't mind that. And hopefully the footage is, alright. So, go ahead, Rachel. Go ahead with that. Here's how you enter the glorious apartment. To the left of the front door, when you walk in, you will see a storage closet. There's not a whole lot of space in the storage closet, but there is some space to hang your coats and put some other miscellaneous items like your purse or something on that shelf. So it's better than no storage at all. So I'll take it. Now moving from there, this is the wall you'll see, and then to the right of that, you will walk through this very small hallway and get to the kitchen. They did a really good job of remodeling this kitchen. There are some things you can tell it was a facelift procedure, not a whole shebang fix over, but hey, it looks nice and it has okay storage. There's enough for plates and pots and pans, but we had to buy something else to put food in, so that was something we didn't consider. But it is nice having an open concept from the dining room into the kitchen, which I feel like if you don't get that, it kind of feels more closed off. You get what I'm saying? Showing you a shot of the sink for some reason, and coming out of the kitchen, we are going to see the dining room to the right, and it is pretty spacious, so that's nice. And then we're gonna jump to the patio. This patio is pretty large, and it can fit quite a bit of stuff out in that storage thingy outside. Moving to the living room area, you'll notice that there is a fireplace. We have yet to use it. It's a wood-burning fireplace, so that kind of makes me nervous, but I guess you could technically make s'mores in it. Maybe. I don't know. So this is the guest bathroom. It's the first bathroom you'll see when you walk through the apartment. It's a standard 3-piece bath. Pretty nice. I really like how they have the mirror and the lighting in there. There's quite a bit of lighting, so that's nice. And it has some vinyl wood flooring. Walking out from there, I'm going to take you to our little laundry area. I'm not the biggest fan of these types of accordion doors, I think they're called, but hey, we have a washer and dryer in here, and that's what I was looking for with an apartment, so yeah, that was nice. And there's a little bit of a shelf area to put your laundry soap and stuff. Then here is the guest bedroom. It's pretty spacious, but it's kind of awkward because this little inlet area has that heater and you can't really put stuff there, otherwise it's a fire hazard, so they made it kind of annoying. And then here you'll see the closet is like a pretty standard closet with the rolling doors on it. And walking out of the guest bedroom, we're going to walk into the master, even though the master is smaller than the guest bedroom, and it's a very annoying layout because of that dang heater in the corner over there. And then here is our walk-in closet. It has a nice space. I don't have a lot of clothes, so neither does my boyfriend, so it's nice. It works for us. This has a lot of storage space. That is super nice. And as you can see, there's lots of counter space and one sink. Then walking into the banyo, our banyo, it has a toilet and a bathtub and shower combo. And again, the vinyl flooring. Wow. Wow. Yes. Okay, that was it. Bye-bye. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the empty apartment tour. There will be a actual apartment tour once I get more projects done around the house or apartment. I got a couple I need to get done, and I'm just not devoting the time, and I need to. But maybe I'll make a couple of mini episodes of where I maybe hang up my drapes or clean the guest bedroom. And there's definitely going to be one where I transform my patio, so look out for those videos coming to you at some point. Whenever I get stuff mailed to me, basically. So we're going to be patient during these times because I don't want to overwork those poor postal workers right now with all this stuff happening in the world, you know? Yeah. I hate saying goodbye. But I need to go, so hope you guys are staying safe and healthy out there, and I will see you in my next video.